6th day of August is celebrated as Hiroshima Day. Why do we celebrate Hiroshima Day? This day is a reminder of a bombing attack on Hiroshima by United States during World War II. On this day, the United States dropped an atomic bomb in the city of Hiroshima. 76th anniversary of world's first nuclear deadliest attack. And just after 3 days, there was another deadly attack on Nagasaki. Here are the few facts about Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Little boy and fat man. No, that are not the boy's name. But little boy was a uranium bomb dropped on Hiroshima, and Fat Man, the plutonium bomb dropped on Nagasaki. USA detonated bombs in air around 2000 feet above the ground in just 43 seconds. The estimated temperature was 5400 to 7200 degrees Fahrenheit at ground zero, which is 4 times of sun. The blast destroyed around 50% radius and hit rays. Black rain within 1 hour of highly radioactive particles started falling on the city, causing additional radiation exposure. Do you know how much people killed in Hiroshima and Nagasaki? 130,000 in Hiroshima and around 74,000 in Nagasaki. Half of the population of Hiroshima was killed. The bomb has killed over 210,000 people combining both the attacks. That not stop there. Radiation caused more damage in today's date also. Japanese were surrendered on August 15 after the allies of US. Is any effect still exist? It just take few seconds to destroy and centuries to build, someone has said that. The best example was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It took 40 seconds to destroy these two cities, and the effect of that 40 seconds still exists today. Healing takes decades. Survivor began suffering from thyroid, lungs, and other cancers at higher than regular rates. Miscarriage increased among pregnant women and death among their infants. In addition, their children were intellectual disabilities and an increased risk of developing cancer. Cancers related to radiation exposure continue to increase throughout their lifespan, even to this day. Paper cranes, a symbol of peace, and mushroom, symbol of deadly nuclear bomb. You can see origami paper cranes throughout these cities. 12-year-old bomb survivor named Sadako Sasaki while battling leukemia after hearing old Japan story that one wish granted who folds 1,000 crane. So the boy was making cranes using medicine wrapper. Isn't it cute? Even the President of United States, President Obama, brought 4 cranes that he folded himself when he visited Hiroshima in May 2016. The first American leader to visit. Obama cranes were displayed at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. On 7th July 2017, at the United Nations in New York, 122 countries voted to adopt the Treaty on Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. Satsuko Thurlow, 13-year-old girl survivor of atomic bombing. I couldn't call them human beings. They simply looked like a ghost. The hair was standing up and they were all burned on the skin and their flesh was hanging from their bones. Some were carrying their eyeballs. It was like hell on earth. This was her words. Isn't it so terrifying that this type of bombing happens in the cities and destroyed everything? What are your views to reduce this type of attacks? Please comment. Follow THC Club. Thank you very much.